set CAT 2020 morning slot set on basic DI set. We can call it completely DI. And the basic concept of this set is averaging. Little bit of logic you need to apply, little bit of findings and identifications and understanding is required. Obviously, logical approach is required. But basic funda of maths, whichever used here, is basically average. So let us look at the set. What we have: English, Hindi, Math, Science, Social Science due to a certain sorry, I missed first. In a certain board exam, students will appear for examinations in 5 subjects. You can see the subjects: English, Hindi, Maths, Science, Social Science. Due to a certain emergency situation, which obviously you know what it is, a few of examinations could not conduct it for some students. Hence, some students missed one exam and other missed 2 exams. Okay, I'll jump to the last line. Remember, each of them missed either 1 or 2 exams. So nobody missed more than 1, less than 1, nobody missed more than 2. Now, the board adopted the following policy to avoiding the marks of the student. If a student appeared in all 5 exams, then the total marks awarded in each exams were on the basis of the scores obtained by them, which is not the scenario because each either missed 1 or 2. If a student missed only 1 exam, important, if a student missed only 1 exam, then the marks awarded in that exam was the average of the best of the 3. Be very careful. Missing 1 exam. Outcome of missing 1 exam. Let me scroll it up a bit. Missing 1 exam. Then the marks awarded is the average of best 3 among the 4 scores he appeared for. Missing 2 exams. Marks awarded of each exams was average of the best of 2. Okay, so 1 exam best of 3, average of best of 3. Missing 2 exam marks is average of best of 2. The marks obtained by the 6 students in exams are given below and other conditions also. Like Alva 80. So as of now, if you just read it directly, you really won't be able to identify which exam they missed, which they did not. But one thing for sure, anybody missed 2 exams, those 2 marks must be same. Like Alva has 75 and 70. So Alva might be a person who missed 2 exams. Might be. So is Carl. Or maybe D. Okay. 4 of the students appeared. Each of the English, Hindi, Science, Social. Somebody appeared in English. Somebody. Okay, fine. Student who missed maths did not miss any other exam. So can we find it out? Alva, maths is 70. What is best score of Alva? 80. Second best, 75. Third best, 75. And 70 is not average of that. So Alva is not the person. Bithi, maths is very low. Can never be average of top 3. Curl. If I remove maths, science 90, 100, social 90, English 80. As average of 890 and 80 is 90. So Curl is the one who missed maths. So let me identify in this way. Green means that exam is the obtained marks, not the actual marks, average marks. One of the student who missed Hindi did not miss any other exam. One of the other student missed Hindi, also missed science. Let me scroll it up further. So what we have, Curl missed maths. Now who can miss Hindi? Can Alva miss Hindi? If Alva is missing Hindi, what are the top scores? 80, 70, 75. Possible. Alva missed only Hindi. But is it possible Alva missed both Hindi and science? 80 and 70 average is also 75. So Alva has a possibility. It can be only Hindi or it can be Hindi and science. Curl is not. Can Bithi miss Hindi? 80. Top scores 90, 85 and 85. So whether it's 90 and 85 or 90 and 85 and 85, average is not 80. So Bithi did not miss Hindi. Can Deep miss Hindi? 90. 170 average is not 190 average is not 90. But if I take it as 180, so actually Alpha missed Hindi and Deep missed Hindi and science. Because you see, his Indian science marks are same. And their average of 180, top two. But top three average is 90. Acha, no, that is also possible, na? He missed only Hindi and average of, okay, no, then both are the possibilities. This is Hindi or Hindi and science, is Hindi and science or only Hindi for Deep. So we have identified Alva, we have identified Curl, we have identified Deep. What about Isha? Highest is 95. Second highest is 85. And third highest is 60. And their average is 80. True. And Isha is, now you can say Isha, two subjects not, because no two marks are equal. The Isha missed one subject, that is for sure. Isha missed one subject. Curl missed maths. Isha missed one subject, and that subject is English only. What about phony? Phony, I can see two marks equal, 83 and 83. And they are average of these 2 marks. So one possibility of phony missed only in English, average of this 383. Phony missed only social. Phony missed English and social. Possible. Bithi, 85, 85 equal. 90, 80 average is 85, 90, 85, 85 average is also 85. So possibility of Bithi, missed science, missed social, missed science and social. Now let us look at the problems. Who among the following did not appear for the maths exam? Maths exam did not appear. Is Curl. Option 1. Next question. Which student did not appear for English exam? English did not appear. Definitely Deep. And it can be Isha. So it should be Deep and Isha. Sorry, it's funny. I mismatched the order. Deep and funny. Sorry, Isha and funny. Isha definitely English and funny. Isha and funny. Option 4. What is the best can be concluded among the students? The best can be concluded among the students who did not appear for Hindi. Who did not appear for Hindi? Alva or Deep? Alva or Deep? Option 3. The best can be concluded among the students who missed the science exam. Alva, Deep, Bithi. So it is Bithi and 1 out of Alva and Deep. Because one among Alva and Deep missed only Hindi, another missed Hindi with science. So 1 is the best option. How many of the out of the 6 missed exactly 1 exam? Asia missed 1, Curl missed 1, and 1 among Alva and Deep missed 1. So exactly 3. 3 will be the answer here. For how many students can be definitely about which exam they missed? Yeah. For Curl, we are sure missed maths. For Asia, we are sure missed maths. For Deep also, we are sure he missed Hindi. Maybe with science, without science. Or for Alva also, we are sure he missed Hindi. So 4 students. That's all about the set. So obviously, set which is also not very easy, moderate level. Set was not very easy, moderate level set, but since it is having 6 problems associated with it, so it must be a must. It should be considered as a must attempt.